What's up, alchemists? Welcome to day 2 of our Python challenges. Yesterday's challenge was about creating and appending lists, and today we're going to go in depth with our lists and learn how to harness the power of the elements. In Fullmetal Alchemist, alchemists combine various elements to craft new substances and objects. Similarly, in Python, we can gather and combine items in a list. So today we're focusing on the basic elements and the power of the append method. So we're an alchemist and we have a cauldron, and as we shout out our elements, it's going to appear in our cauldron. Let's replicate this with a little Python magic. We'll go ahead and define our variable. Inside of a variable, we'll assign our list. Inside the list, we'll start putting in our elements: earth, fire, wind, water. But wait a minute, we realize after we put everything to the cauldron, we're missing heart. But we can use the alchemy of Python to add heart to our concoction by using that append method. So we'll come back down here, we'll do elements, we'll do dot append, we'll then type in heart, and this is going to add heart to the end of our list. So we'll print this out by using our print function, F and curly brackets, and then we'll add in our variable, and we'll add a string of text here. By your powers combined, I am in planning. I'll run this code, and there we go. We now have created a list, appended it with the variable it needed, and summoned Captain Planet. Say, even alchemists need help. Python and alchemy share a core principle. To create something, one must gather the ingredients or the elements. In Python, we call this essence of equivalent exchange. And always remember, whether you're coding or performing alchemy, understanding your basic is the key to crafting awesome projects. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now, check in the next one. Peace out, alchemists.